let's talk some win streaks for the committee, because there are several. Let's do AT&T. We already talked about Meta, which is up 7 days in a row. AT&T coming off a 5-day win streak. That's yours. What's behind this?
Well, it sold off really hard early in April on an earnings miss. And I think what we've really seen is this comeback, because it just continues to battle through the negative news. And the way I see this is they've had a tremendous amount of CapEx in the prior years to prepare for 5G. And I think a lot of this spend is already in. So we're going to start to see margins expand, is my expectation, as in the quarters to come.
How much of the move do you think is given their yield versus where rates have gone, bonds have gone?
I think a lot of people I talk to.
Primary
and I'm not looking from that way, but a lot of people I talk to, they look at Verizon and AT&T, and they look at it for yield plays right away, especially the fact they've been levitating a bit over the past year and a half.
What about United Health, Jimmy? 4-day win streak for UNH.
Big sentiment change since the earnings about a month ago. And the earnings, by the way, were simply, good enough. They weren't blowout. The expectations were clearly low. You start to look at United Health, you realize two things. It's the absolute leader in the industry. I mean, take a look at CVS at the other end of the spectrum. The second thing is the valuation isn't as expensive as many people used to think it is. It's pretty attractive at this price. I think it'll keep going higher.
ADM, 4 days in a row. Weiss?
Yeah, look, it sold off, and right now it's just in a holding pattern. It sold off. The earnings were sort of punked, but that's not why you own it. It's not why I own it. I own it for the restatement of the earnings coming out, and they have said repeatedly, including on the earnings call, that the restatements can be minor. If you recall, there was some fraud there in a very small part of the business, nutrition business. So as soon as they get over that and release it, the stock should go back to 80.
Okay, Phillips 66, 4 days in a row, Bill.
I like refiners. If you're going to be investing in energy, you have to look at refiners. But the problem with this move here is it's really sort of, I'm wondering, is it a dead cat bounce off the low? There's been a lot of pressure, downside pressure in energy recently. Energy can typically top leading into Memorial Weekend or after Memorial Weekend. So I'm a little hesitant to say this is a rally, more just a bounce from a sell-off at the moment.
The infrastructure ETF, 7 days in a row. That's the longest rally since August of 22, Jimmy.
Yeah, we've already gone through ad nauseum what the drivers are. I think everybody gets that now. Why the last 7 days? I think it's probably, Scott, because of that, I'm going to call it a pivot, but what Jay Powell said in particular last week, or maybe it was the week before, rate hikes being off the table. Where that trade goes bad is if interest rates go higher. That makes it harder for these capital expenditure plans to come through. To the extent that rate cuts are still in the picture, maybe they're pushed to the right, this will still do fine.
What are you thinking about these infrastructure?
Yeah, no, I think that's accurate. You're seeing more onshoring you just talked about. You're seeing, look, all the supply chains are moving from China to whether it's India or coming back to the U.S., driven by the tax incentives, by the spending. Yeah. So you're not going to build these massive fabs that TSM, that Intel, that Micron are building without infrastructure spend. It's impossible.
And everybody's been targeting the summer of this year as where that money really starts to flow.
Let's talk about a losing streak for AbbVie, Jimmy. You want to take that one? It's down 4 days in a row.
Yeah, I very much believe that the prospects are intact for this stock to return to growth, both with its pipeline that it has and the acquisitions that it's made recently. And I think those acquisitions are probably why it's been down recently, the cost associated with them. But that absolutely buttresses the pipeline going forward. The second thing that's held it back is this fear that Humira, which is now off patent, will get eaten away by generics. That's not happening all that fast. And frankly, as the company continues to grow away from Humira, Humira becomes less and less important. I think this is a good buying opportunity.
All right.